Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna discuss about TikTok Lite. So TikTok Lite no internet connection problem on iPhone. So TikTok Lite no connection on iPhone. So here's the problem sometimes. So all you need to do, check TikTok Lite circular data, go to settings circular, then scroll down to TikTok Lite and turn it on. Easy as that. Next thing you can do is check your actual cellular connection. Go to settings, cellular data, and make sure it's on. Try Wi-Fi if data is having problem, and turn off low data mode temporarily. Settings circular data options data mode, and then turn off low data mode. Then toggle airplane mode. If you want, guys, you can just toggle the airplane mode on and wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. Then try TikTok Lite again. Then restart your phone, completely close the TikTok Lite app and restart your iPhone. Make sure TikTok Lite is updated through the App Store or the App Store. And last resort, restart network settings. If TikTok Lite still won't connect, go to settings, general, transfer, or reset iPhone. Reset network. This will remove save Wi-Fi last password and reset network related settings. So don't use it as your first fix. So there you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns about TikTok, like, you can always type it down question below, guys, and we'll have to answer as soon as possible. There you guys, and thank you.